When you feel at home, this is where you feel that you are your best self. Home now is here in Geneva, Switzerland. This is where I feel I have grown as a wife, as a woman, as an entrepreneur, as a mother, and also as an engaged citizen of the world. I've been living here for 5 years, and it has been an amazing experience. I'm going to share with you my story. So I was born in Saint-Hyacinthe, Canada. That's in the province of Quebec. So yes, I do speak with a Quebec accent when I go back home. My father was born in France and my mother was born in Belgium. They moved to Canada in the late 60s, early 70s. That was a big endeavor for them, and I really admire them and my grandparents for doing this, leaving everything behind, expats. I am the eldest of 4 girls, so I have 3 sisters. So we were loud, proud, and fierce, like many Quebec women. We used to call ourselves les 4 filles du docteur Nicolas, because my parents are doctors. They both met during their medical studies. This is a twist on the French translation of the great book, Little Women. I had a very happy and carefree childhood in Canada, thanks to my parents. My sisters and I, we played so many imaginary games in our basement. And I think that having such a lot of fun time like this developed the creative leader in me. I was the eldest, so I was quite assertive, quite extroverted as well, within the little bubble of our family. Outside of that, I was a little bit more shy, more introverted, but being able to explore and express myself within my little family like this, that was a great way for me to develop my leading skills, I would say. And I was very, very dedicated to my studies. I was maybe the A-type student that you could think of. I was involved in so many different things. I loved studying and I loved to do a lot of different things. I was just very happy in the school environment. So much so that when we were at the weekend or during a bank holiday, I would spend my time school pretend playing. So I was a teacher. That's the first time that I would be a teacher. And I would force my sisters to be my first French students, so poor them, but I would reward them with a lot of stickers at least.